Hi everyone, in today's video, we're taking a closer look of this Eufy Smart Lock Touch. And if you're someone like me who always forget where I put my keys or just wanted to improve your home security, then this lock might be worth checking out. Eufy is a well-known brand when it comes to home security. They sell many different smart products like security cameras, locks, doorbells, and much more. So this lock can be opened using your fingerprints through the Eufy security app with Bluetooth, using the keypad, or you can unlock it using a key. They also sell a Wi-Fi version of this lock, or you can buy a Wi-Fi bridge that works with a Bluetooth lock. That way, you can access it from anywhere as long as you have internet connection. So this is what the box looks like. And here on the back side, we got all the features like 0.3 seconds to recognize your fingerprint, Bluetooth, it locks automatically when you close the door, IP65 rating, which means it's weatherproof and built to last. And I have to say, this lock feels sturdy and it's very heavy. You can also unlock it using a power bank if it runs out of power, AES-256 encryption, encrypted fingerprints, and it's highly durable. In the package, everything comes numbered and easy to follow step by step on how to install the lock. So what we got in the box is the instruction manual, the front and the back piece, and all the screws, deadbolts, strike plates, mounting plate, and the keys. The lock is easy to install, and I've actually been using this for a while now on our front door, but for the sake of this video, I will remove it and show you how to install it. So after you remove your old lock, including the deadbolt, attach the new deadbolt to your door. You can turn the deadbolt to fit either 60 mm or 70 mm backset and make sure the top is facing upwards. Then just screw it in place. Then remove the strike plate or use your old one if it fits well. Now place the front piece on the outside of your door and the mounting plate in the inside. When that's done, connect the wires to the inside part of the lock and tighten the screws. Make sure the deadbolt's working properly, then install the batteries. And we're done with the installation. The lock that I'm using has 4 AA batteries, but the newer version of this lock comes with a rechargeable battery. So after the lock is installed, download the Eufy security app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on Add Device, select Smart Lock Touch, and then scan the QR code in the lock and follow the on-screen instruction. The user that scans the QR code is the main account and the only one that can add other users. If you want to reset the lock, you can just press the set button for a few seconds and it goes back to factory settings. When you are connected to the lock, it will ask you to calibrate the lock. When that's done, you will hear a voice saying calibration complete. Now we just need to set a passcode and add fingerprints and the lock is ready to use. In the app, we can lock the door. Remember, this only works when you are close to the lock and connected with Bluetooth. If you want to access the lock from anywhere, you need the Wi-Fi lock or the Wi-Fi bridge that works with this lock. Down here, we can check lock events and manage user accounts. Up here, we got all the settings for the lock. We can, for example, turn on auto lock, set the auto lock timer, or add schedule. In wrong try protection, we can set how many attempts or time before the lock goes into lockdown. And that's most of the setting it offers. I've been using this lock for quite some time now and my experience is very positive, and I think this is a really good security lock that is definitely worth buying if you're looking for a fingerprint smart lock. One thing I've noticed is that sometimes it needs to scan your fingerprint 2 times before it opens, but other than that, I have nothing negative to say about this lock. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.